Hey guys, today is going to be a review of the Shark Ion robotic vacuum cleaner. So if you don't know what it is, it's kind of look like a Roomba, but more different. It is a robot vacuum cleaner, so we're going to do a review and demonstration. So first, we're going to start with, sorry, it's very blurry. Here, you see it right here? We're going to first know the buttons. So this first button right here is dock. Sorry. So if you press dock, if you press this, it will automatically go back to the charger if you press it. And then the third button right here, it says clean. It will start the cleaning process. Or you can also use the remote that comes with it. Max is, I think it might be Spot. I'm not sure. So that's the button right here. And now, I'm going to open this right here. This is the dustbin. To eject it, all you have to do is press this button, and it comes off. I'll show you what the dustbin looks like. So it shapes like an arrow. I'm guessing that shapes like an arrow. And you got the word saying right here, pinch here and lift up, clean filter weekly, and then tap the clean filter, do not wash filter. If you do wash the filter, it might malfunction. It's not allowed to wash the filter. So, I'm going to do here is place it back. To do that, just place it in here, and then snap it in. Since you did that, now it's locked in place. So I'm going to demonstrate the cleaning process. So to start the cleaning, you press this button that says clean, the light up words. I forgot to note about the lights right here. This is the battery level. So to clean your floor, press this button. So there's clean right here. It automatically cleans the floor. And then to stop it, you just have to press it again. It's simple. And this is the review. Wait a second. If I press dock, it automatically takes it back to the charger. So when the cleaning process has been completed, it will automatically go back to its charger if there's one bar of the battery level. And this is the review of the Shark Ion robotic vacuum cleaner. And that's it.